BRL-CAD is a powerful, open-source solid modeling system used by the US military for decades. Today, you will learn how to download and install it on your computer safely and quickly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. Go to the official website at brlcad.org. Always download from the official site to avoid malware. Click on the Download tab in the main menu. You will see versions for Windows, Mac OS, and various Linux distributions. Select the installer that matches your operating system. For this guide, we are downloading the Windows installer. Click the Download Latest Version button and wait for a few seconds. Then your download will start automatically. Once the download finishes, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer to launch it. If a security prompt appears, click Yes to grant permission. Follow the on-screen setup wizard. Click Next, read and accept the license agreement. Choose your installation location, or simply leave it at the default pathway. Click Install and wait for the progress bar to finish. If you encounter an error opening file for writing message, abort the installation setup and run the setup again as an administrator. Click Finish to complete the setup. Look for the BRL-CAD, Archer, or MGE icon on your desktop. Open it to ensure everything runs smoothly. That is it. You are now ready to build 3D solid models. If this tutorial helped you, please click the like button and subscribe for more open source software guides. Thanks for watching.